Are F1 doctors' safety concerns real? Imagine racing at over 100 miles per hour and suddenly losing control because of a system designed to help you overtake. That's what some worry about with the drag reduction system in Formula One. The Doctors is a device that opens a flap on the rear wing of the car to reduce aerodynamic drag. This allows the car to go faster in straight lines, making overtaking easier. But it also reduces downforce, which is what keeps the car glued to the track, especially in corners. When downforce drops, the car can become more unstable and harder to control. That's why safety concerns are part of the conversation. The rules are strict about where and when drivers can activate the Doctors. They can only use it in designated zones on the track, usually straight sections where overtaking is safer. Drivers are not allowed to use Doctors during the first 2 laps of a race or right after safety car restarts. These rules help keep the risk of accidents lower. If a driver tries to activate Doctors in a dangerous spot or outside the rules, they can be penalized. There have been incidents where the Doctors system caused safety issues. Sometimes the rear wing flap gets stuck open, which makes the car very unstable. When that happens, the driver might lose control, especially when braking or turning. If the problem is serious, the driver has to go back to the pits for repairs or retire from the race. The FIA, the governing body of Formula One, treats these faults seriously. They can issue a mechanical black flag, which means the driver must leave the track immediately to prevent accidents. In the past, some tracks tried using Doctors in tricky corners, but after accidents, those zones were removed. This shows that the system can be dangerous if not used carefully. Overall, even though Doctors can make overtaking more exciting, it does come with safety risks. That's why the FIA keeps a close eye on how and where Doctors is used. They regularly review and adjust the rules to make sure drivers are safe while racing. Studies show that Doctors has not caused a rise in major accidents or fatalities. So, while safety concerns are real, they are well managed through strict regulations and constant monitoring.